room 572 on deck 14. And this is a Oceanview Balcony. Let's check them out. Oh look, there's another card there. They must have left that so the lights can turn on. Oh, wow, it smells brand new in here. You got the big mirror there on the left. This is gorgeous. Wow. We got a vanity here on the left side. As you come in, decent amount of power. 2 USB over here on the vanity. Decent amount of power. All right. You've got a good amount of storage. There's a hair dryer in here in the top one. Mini fridge down below. A decent amount of storage. Not huge, but it's decent. Oh look, everybody bringing their magnetic hooks and stuff. Look at this. They actually built some like little hook thingies in there. That's awesome. Safety breathe thing. I already did that. First thing you do when you get on a cruise ship is a safety breathe. We'll do the safety breathe and muster drill. So we've got the bed here. I believe this does split into two twin beds. Oh, look at this. There is kind of like a split closet situation going on. There's one here right next to the bed. It's got the safe. That's a good amount of storage right there. All right. Hangers. Hey, there's no hangers in here. Uh-oh. Maybe they're in the other one. Let's check it out. Here's the second closet. There's the hangers. And this one is just for hanging. Nothing else. Okay. Suitcase and stuff in there. All right. They've got this the sofa here that turns into a bed, I believe, if you needed to. And then temperature. Like, how do you make it go down? Oh, there we go. Wow, this is like digital and wow, it's like e-paper. Interesting. I've never seen that before. Lights are already on. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Okay, all right. Not bad at all. That shower looks like it's gonna be a really decent sized shower. There's a toilet. Everything in here. It's a good size. It's a normal, decent size bathroom. I have no problems with it. Let's come inside. Let's see how big the shower is. Oh yeah, there we go. Opens up nice. That's normal. Oh, my backpack. Okay. All right, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in here. 5 foot. I am 5'10". My doctor said I'm 5'9", but I swear I'm 5'10". Or I'm shrinking with my old age. I've been 5'10" my whole life. But anyway, and I'm in here and I have plenty of room. Just plenty of room. This is great. This is gonna be awesome. So let's go check out the piece de resistance, as they say. The balcony. Let's go check the balcony out. We're still in Port Canaveral. We haven't sailed away yet. It smells brand new in here. It smells brand new. Oh, there's a little light for right here. Oh, look at that. That's nice. A little light turns on there. That's nice. Let's open these up, get all the sun. Let's go check it out. Open them up. Slide them open. And here's the balcony. You got a couple of chairs here. And the bottom thing does slide out. So it can become kind of like a lounger type deal. Yeah, we're still at Port Canaveral. But this is going to be ocean a little later on. And it looks like, since this is the inaugural sailing, it looks like we've got a little gift. And it's not too shabby, if I may say so myself. I'm gonna rock this. Check it out. My hair's a little too big right now, I guess. There's a sun hat. Utopia the Sea sun hat. Huh? Your thoughts? Your thoughts? It's not too bad for a gift. I wasn't expecting something this cool. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that, I wonder if this is the July 19th sailing, the new inaugural. There was previously a different one. I wonder if those people that are on the 22nd, because they're supposed to get gifts too. I wonder if they're gonna get the same thing or something different. But that's awesome. So yeah, that is that's the room tour. Utopia Sea's room 14572 Oceanview Balcony. Awesome.
Now I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna do? Yeah, 'cause last night was the last time that I saw you.